Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. I'm gonna do a quick video on a case or a couple of cases for the iPhone 11 Pro. Now these cases are made by MOBOSI. Let's go ahead and take a look at them. Okay, so we got two cases here. This is the Net series. Now I'll put the link in the description for you in the video if you want to try to purchase these. But let's go ahead and check them out. I haven't heard from them before, but we're gonna see what they look like. Okay, so this first one is the Midnight Green Net series case. Let's pull out the box. Okay, this is the Midnight Green version. It's not bad. Get that to the side there. So, nice color. You got some detail there, some craftsmanship. You got a MOBOSI, brand there that's embossed on the case. It's got a nice texture to it. I think it'll provide some grip for you. Now this is for the 11 Pro, so not the Max, so it's going to be easy to handle. You got your speaker, your charging port, the other speaker over there, and your camera cutout right here. It's raised a little bit, so it'll protect the camera. And you got the opening for the Apple logo there. No feet on the corners or anything like that, so they will rest on the surface. But you got your volume up and down rocker and your opening for your silencer right there, vibrator switch, power button over here, nothing else. Okay, let's go ahead and get the device and put it inside. Okay, here's the 11 Pro. Let's go ahead and put it inside. Okay, so nice fit. It looks good. Now, this is a dummy phone, so it doesn't have the Apple logo, but it would be right there. And this is the cutout for the camera right here. So that's all covered, so it looks good. And everything's pretty clicky. The buttons move pretty well. Everything lined up right there, so no problem. Looks good. It's not a bad case. Still get your hand around the device, no problem. This is a pretty manageable device as well. So you're gonna be good there. This little opening here is a good focus point for your finger in the back for a good grip when you're moving around, so that's not bad. But it's a pretty good case. Can't test wireless charge, although I'm sure it'll work because this case is pretty thin. So this should work with wireless charging. Okay, so the next case is going to be a clear case. It's the same series. Actually, not a clear case, it's a black one. So same case, but it's black. Same details there. Let's go ahead and put the device inside, see what it looks like on that one. Okay, so here's the case on the device. I like the black one as well. I think I might like that better. Looks good, feels good in the hand, no problem holding the device. You can see everything lines up, no problem there. Camera is covered, but I think it's a these are pretty decent cases. Okay, so that was a quick look at a case from MOBOSI. This is the Net series case. You got a black one and a green one, about $14.99 on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. If you got any questions, hit me in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ.